Is this what is happening in this country now? Watch this.
What you are about to see would be regarded as one of the most hilarious and then, of course, shameful police citizens altercation ever. It happened in Edo State, precisely Agbede. The Agbede police station, its DPO and the men of the Agbede division has brought shame and reproach to the Nigerian police force, as usual. Not the first, not the second, not the third. Forever they have been consistently doing this thing. But this one is something else. So the Nigerian police force took 160,000 naira from Nigerian commuters who were traveling on the road and then were harassed, bullied, and stolen from. They also took a bottle of NEC that they saw with them and then took some clothes of them. And in trying to cover this up, they deleted the videos that were recorded with their phones after seizing the phone. But of course, because they are not so technologically inclined, they did not know that those videos were saved on another app, and then the guys were able to retrieve the videos that were deleted, and they have it. Here you have it. How the Nigerian police force, their division, harassed, intimidated, oppressed, beat up, assaulted Nigerian youth, stole from them for no justifiable reasons. Watch.
What do we do? What do we do? You take our papers, you say we not see anything. What do we do? What do we do? You take our papers to carry our route. You carry us to say with the ghost station. What do we do waiting for the carry us the ghost station? Why they carry us the ghost station? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Leave it off. Leave it. You see Nigeria police. This is what they are doing. This is what they are doing. This is how they are oppressing citizens in this Nigeria. What did they do to you? What did they do to you? This is how they are oppressing citizens in this country. What did I do to you? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What did I do? Nigeria police. This is how you people are doing. What did I do to you?
When you see a video like that, you are likely going to think that police had caught the people constituting mayhem, the people master.
Upload your products and services on findandnow.com so that people go dey buy from you plenty.
Now, for the record, as you all know, Very Dark Man posted a demand letter on his official handle to the Nigeria police, and that letter is coming from his legal team. As you all know, by strategy is part of his legal team, you know, understand? And they are requesting and demanding that the case should be handled publicly. You know, understand? Because that case involved a senior police officer, an AIG for that matter. You know, understand? And an assistant inspector general of police. Sure you get, and they want the case to be public. Very Dark Man is a concerned citizen of Nigeria, and he cares about the justice system of Nigeria. And we are saying that we are creating more awareness for the case to be handled publicly. We want everybody they see her, make the world they see her properly. You know, understand? Because it is very, very important. Because the justice system of Nigeria is in the hands of the Nigeria police. So if the Nigeria police is corrupt and being manipulative, I think that should be a good reason for the general public to see. The investigation should be handled publicly. This case is not about Very Dark Man and the AIG. This case is about the Nigeria police versus the Nigeria police. So I don't know why they are making it look as if it is Very Dark Man that is the suspect. You know, understand? So I don't see Very Dark Man as a suspect. Very Dark Man was only creating public awareness on the case. You know, understand? So it is very, very important for them to understand that we want this case to be public. The press release will be there. Different TV station will be there. Everybody will be there. Some Some House of Representative member will be there. That will be fair. And I believe that the legal team, according to what is in the letter, I believe the legal team of Very Dark Man will be part of the people that will choose some House of Rep and some other public individuals to come there and see for themselves. And the case will be like a panel. They'll set a table. The AIG will drop its report, and Very Dark Man too will drop his investigation that he took away from Panti. You know, understand? Because now two different police stations now it be. Sure you get. So this is not a case of make we do what we are inviting you come to FCID. No, this is a case that every Nigerian citizen is concerned about. This is a national issue. You know, understand? So it is clearly stated. I beg. So please tag the Nigerian police to this video. It is very, very important for them to know that we want this case to be handled publicly. We are creating more awareness so that Nigeria will understand the reason why we are fighting for justice. Justice should be justice. Justice should not be made a penal for person head. It is very, very important for every single Nigerian to know the reason why they are creating awareness and why they are adding their voice to this issue. Because this is a national issue. A justice for an injustice for one is an injustice for all. You know.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
You go see danger, danger, wahala dey. Omo see danger, danger, wahala dey. You go see danger, danger, wahala dey. Oh, wahala dey. Wahala dey, oh, wahala dey. You go see danger, danger, wahala dey. Oh, la me amo. You say ever say, Mr. P, na bad man you be bad man. Shame on you. Let me talk am. Only you part 1. Part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7. Now, since you the Atabi, you are creating content with the emotions of Nigerians. If you drop out and lie, that will over. I'm gonna beat your account down. 60 years ago, you dropped a song. If you see me and my brother, hey, no be say we sing pass, no be say we dance pass, but it be like saying now we the bless pass. In the beginning, it be like play. They almost tried to make us run away, but nobody contest with. I mean, my brother, you don't smoke with. Count your blessings and name them one by one. Then you go to say that and 2 by 2. I don't know what to say. Money no they come from above. Take a look at winner. Tell me what to see. Me and my brother, hey. If you see me and my brother, I could be now. They don't break up. That's all I just be. Read your Bible carefully. It quotes and I said, Cain killed Abel. Are they not brothers? They are brothers. See, your brothers they keep brother. If you're not careful, a brother can kill a brother. That's all life just be. Just because of saying you did good to somebody, just because you be good person, let me say people no go dey back to you. Mr. P, I've heard your own side of the story. Rude boy, I've heard your own side of the story. Jude, I heard your own side of the story. But in conclusion, I be bad people. Yes, na bad people na be. That's not job. I will show you. A bad man you be. Yes, you're a bad brother. Episode 1, episode 2. Go back at Merlin. Where's Merlin? Episodes of Mania. Legend of the Seekers. The other one. Mara Clara. You want to tell the movie director using the emotions of Nigerians. I'm not take that from you. Now, that's how you want to tell like that to work and come meet me, bro. Then, this guy come. I entertain as a normal person. I'll give her a drink ahead. Make we go in.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
Now, for the record, Mazi Titi has finally blocked me. After making a video day before yesterday, telling him I give him 24 hours, he called Rush, go block me. If you are not guilty of the crime, you will not go and block me. You don't understand. And I want to tell you, every single person watching this video, and I want you to share this video. You don't understand. I want to say to the general public that Mazi Titi is a satisfied and manipulative scammer. You don't understand. Come and sue me, and I will bring my proof that you are a thief. You don't understand. Come and sue me. Bring your legal team to serve me paper. Sue me and say I'm defaming you online that you never collected any £7,000 for this person. And I will bring my proof. You successfully refunded £500 from the money and later came up and called the woman, and I have the voice record of it. 5 minutes voice record, and I will be posting that after this particular video. You know, understand? Where you were claiming that it was the company's fault, that you are not aware. How can you collect a whole £7,000 from your fellow Nigerian person when you dey claim say you want help? Take get visa for a brother. You collect the money finish, you got the letters they know now say, you don't know, na mistake. You said the next thing you not go pay the money after a very long rope for me and you don't go back and front where you call later agree say you go pay, say you go pay 50%. From 50%, you say you don't pay 50% to call the thing, not you chop the money. This and you keep the first story down, which you did not even bring proof that this is where you sent the money to. There was no single proof. Mazi Titi, if you can bring proof that you sent so amount to the company, bring the proof, come. Bring your bank statements. Make us see whether you said this money to this person. Not be you really scam this woman. You are a thief. You are a big thief. I call you a thief. I want me you sue me. I want me you sue me. Now you collect woman money finish now. You can't go to threaten the woman for back. You tell her say I need £300. You know, say give the woman. You say and give lawyer. Say she will hear from your legal team. Abi, no worry. I know what to do. You don't understand. First of all, after today, I'm giving you another extra 24 hours. I'll work on how to send home office letter with the receipt and evidence and your record of how you have been trying to defraud people, and your page. I will go use another account to record your payment and see the work you they do for your page. Say you are this visa coach. Now visa coach you be. So people reach out to you as a visa coach, but also they believe in you.
Download Find Them Now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services, and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.